10 reasons why is my cat sneezing all the time. Sneezing in cats is common, but if it happens frequently, it may indicate an underlying health issue. While a single sneeze is often harmless, repeated sneezing could point to various conditions that need attention. Here are 10 possible reasons why your cat might be sneezing all the time. 1. Upper respiratory infections. Infections caused by viruses like feline herpes virus can lead to sneezing, nasal discharge, and lethargy. 2. Allergies. Environmental allergens such as dust, pollen, or chemicals can trigger sneezing in sensitive cats. 3. Dental issues. Abscessed teeth or infections in the upper jaw can cause sneezing when inflammation spreads to the nasal passages. 4. Foreign objects. A small object lodged in the nose can cause persistent sneezing as your cat tries to clear it. 5. Feline asthma. Asthma can lead to sneezing and difficulty breathing, especially when exposed to irritants like smoke or dust. 6. Sinusitis. Inflammation of the sinuses from infections or allergies can lead to sneezing. 7. Fungal infections. Fungal infections, though rare, can cause sneezing and other respiratory symptoms. 8. Irritants in the environment. Smoke, perfumes, or cleaning products can irritate your cat's nose, triggering sneezing. 9. Nasal polyps or tumors. Growths in the nasal passages can obstruct airflow and cause sneezing. 10. Dietary changes. New foods or ingredients may cause allergic reactions leading to sneezing. If your cat's sneezing persists, it's best to consult a vet for proper diagnosis and treatment. Subscribe for more.